Hi guys! Welcome to our channel. For today's video, I will show you how to forward a text message in iPhone. Let's begin. So I just want to make sure that I'll be able to show you easy way to forward a text message. First is just go to your text, of course your messages, and say for example if I would want to forward this message, like it's a spam. Really, you don't have to believe in this one, guys, but yeah, so say for instance you would want to forward a text message in iPhone. All you need to do is when you go here, just access that message, okay? And then on the text bubble, you tap and then you hold. And then you would actually see an option here that says more. If you check at the most bottom of the choices, right? So once you click on that, it would give you this like tick sign or check sign, meaning it's this is pretty much the text that you want to forward. Because take note, guys, say for example if there are multiple text messages that you would want to forward, then you can actually just take the different text bubbles that you want to forward. Or if you just want to be specific and choose what text messages that you want to forward, you could also just select or tick or check the text bubbles that you can choose and then forward it. So once you decided on what text message that you can forward, guys, if you look at the lower right, there is an arrow icon in there, so just tap and then it would bring you to another window for a new message, and here you could send whoever contact that you need to send it to. So once you're done, so say for instance I would want to send it to this person, and then you need to send. So that's it. So you're able to send or forward already the text message. There are ways also for you to do that in an iCloud, just basically setting it up, text message forwarding, wherein you can choose which device that the text messages can be forwarded to, and you could also reply. So you could also go to support@apple.com to look for the details. So there, I hope you learned something today. Please hit unlike. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.